Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about two companies from explosives sector, that is Solar Industries and Premier Explosives. If we talk about Solar Industries, then its name is sort of a misnomer, though the name has a solar in it, but company mainly operates in manufacturing of bulk and cartridge explosives, detonators, detonating cords, and components which find applications in the mining, infrastructure, and construction industries. So it is nowhere related to solar industries. However, its name is like that. If we talk more about this company, then it manufactures high energy explosives, delivery systems, ammunition, filing pyros, fuses for the defense sector. So, defense sector is this company caters to. Likewise, Premium Explosives is engaged in manufacturing of industrial explosives and detonators. It also undertakes operations and maintenance services of solid propellant plants at the Sriharikota Center of ISRO and solid fuel complex at Jagdalpur under the umbrella of DRDO. So we can see that Premier Explosives has a good sort of collaboration with one of the major defense players and companies which work for the government of India. And in case of Premier Explosives also, we can see that it has diverse products like propellants, pyros, explosives, countermeasures, and is the only Indian company which is into the export of fully assembled rocket motors. So, a very unique sort of a sector in which these companies operate in, and due to the recent push of Indian government to manufacture defense products indigenously. These are the companies which have been beneficiary of this trend. There are other companies also like HL, Cochin Shipyard, Muscat Dock, which have done well in recent past, and they also are the beneficiary of government's initiative. So as these two companies. If we go further deep, then in case of Premier Explosives, we see that there has been a tie-up with NIBE Ordnance. It has signed an MOU with Global Munition to form joint venture in defense and aerospace. Uh, Company is also targeting 10,000 crore revenue turnover by 2030. So we can see that there has been a significant amount of activity happening, which is also a positive sign overall for the company and this sector. Likewise, for solar industry also, it won the 2039 crores worth order. Many of the brokers have given buy recommendation for this stock. If we compare their market cap, then Solar Industries is a big company now. It has a market cap of around 92,000 crores, whereas Premier Explosive is still a micro cap company having micro a market cap of nearly 3,000 crores. If we talk about companies PE, then Solar Industry is trading at a PE of 91 and Premier Explosives is trading at a PE of 122. Though looking at the ROE and ROC numbers, which are better for solar industries, ideally solar industry is the one which should have higher P. But since the company's market cap is already very high, somewhere market is expecting it to have a lower growth going forward, and that is what is getting reflected in its P. If we compare their current PE with the historical average, then for solar industry, the historical average is around 55, and now stock is trading at a PE of around 90. Whereas in case of Premier Explosives, it has a median PE of 82 and stock is trading at a PE of around 120. However, one significant thing to note is the consistency in terms of profit for solar industries, though there was a slight dip in 2020, but still company was profitable. Whereas in case of Premier Explosives, company was in fact in losses, and then the uh, profitability improved later on. So this is also one factor which is to be considered, and uh, that is also why solar industry is having higher market cap compared to premier explosives. If we talk about the historical growth rate, then for solar industries, 5-year CAGR sales growth rate was 20%, and profit growth rate is 28%. Uh, Consistency wise, also, solar industry is more consistent compared to premier explosives, as we can see that profit has gone up constantly, except a slight dip or moderation in 2020. For all the other years, there has been a steady increase in terms of profit and in sales as well. Companies OPM also has improved from 17 to 19 to about 20, though there was a period wherein company was having a constant OPM of around 19 or 20%. So these are few factors which are to be considered: the consistency and overall growth rate. If we talk about premier explosives, then for last 5 years, sales CAGR is not very high, but company has given CAGR of 19% in terms of profit. For last 3 years, the numbers look better. For sales growth, it was 21%, and for profit growth, it is 166%. Uh, and as we already discussed, this is also due to the losses which company booked in 21. So if we compare it from this base, then of course current profit of 28 looks high. If we talk about company's technicals, then Solar Industries' current stock price is trading near 10,178. It has taken a support near 9,500, which was its earlier resistance, and stock did take a top near 1,000 and near 14,000. But since it has corrected, and currently the stock is giving opportunity of a discount of around 30%. So important levels are 9,500 and 12,000, which are to be watch out for investors to take any buy or sell decision. Uh, if we talk about Premier Explosive, then company's current trading price is near 545, which is also near its resistance. And company stock did take a support near 410. It reached all-time high of nearly 900, and since then it has come down. When we compare the discount both of these stocks have, then clearly Premier Explosives is something which is at a greater discount. But we'll also have to consider its fundamental as well. Uh, Remember, friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly don't consider it as a stock buy or sell recommendation. Kindly consult your investment advisors before taking any investment calls. Thank you.